Hi you guys, we're back with another video and we're going to be doing our savings challenge box stuffing, and we're stuffing this doing the 50, I think it's going to be about 50 envelopes is what my goal is. So numbers 1 through 52, that savings challenge I'm doing 1 through 50, and that should give me about $1,300 for Christmas. And that's what I'm shooting for. And so this week we're going to be stuffing envelopes 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16 for a total of $98. So let me get those out. These are the ones that we've already stuffed. So we are looking for 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That will be the small numbers, and the next number we're up to is number 27. So we'll be in the 20s after that. I made this savings challenge box and then put the numbers on them with just some random silver vinyl that I had laying around. I bought the cardstock paper from Hobby Lobby. It was a small pack, like 6x6 scrapbook paper, and then I just cut each sheet in half and then folded it in half. As you can see, folded it in half and then laminated it and then put the vinyl lettering on top. So when you open it, it's the inside of the scrapbook paper. It's not laminated on the inside, so it's just paper feeling. It's only laminated on the outside, and then once I laminated it, I cut it down and then cut open the pocket so that I can use it to stuff. So it probably costed me, I don't know, I think it was one pack of, because I have the rest to do the 100 envelope challenge back here, but I probably won't be doing that this time around. I think, I want to say it was like, I don't know, less than $10 for the pack of paper, plus, you know, maybe $10, $15 for the laminating sheets, plus the laminator, plus a paper cutter. That's what it took to get this, plus the vinyl. The vinyl is pretty cheap. You can buy a roll of it for like $10, maybe less, depending on where you buy it from. And then you would need a cutting machine, like a Cricut or a Silhouette or a Cricut Joy, something like that, to cut the numbers. Or you can probably even buy them from someone. Or you could get them online on Amazon, and you can buy little stickers with numbers already numbered out and do that instead of having to have a cutting machine to do that on your own. So I'm going to put this box to the side while we stuff our envelopes, and I have our cash over here sitting in our cash tray so that we can stuff. So we'll stuff number 8 first, and that is going to be a 5 and 3 ones, and I just fold it in half like this, and then you got to open the little pocket. Oh, oops, sorry guys, I bumped you. And then I just stuff it like this. So that's number 8. We're going to do number 9, and that's going to be a 5 and 4 ones. Some people also, if they don't have the exact change, they'll do like maybe 2 5s and do 10 instead of 9. And then you end up, over time, you end up saving a little bit extra. Some people do that too. It's perfectly fine. You do whatever you want to do. So that's number 9. Number 11 is next, and that is going to be think that is going to be a 10 and a 1. So that is number 11, if you can see that. So the pack came with all the prints. The next one we're going to stuff is number 12. It came with different prints on each page, and so all these prints were in the same pack. I didn't have to buy multiple packs to put it together. I just used whatever it came with. So this is number 12. We're going to be stuffing. So that is number 12. They are so pretty, you guys. And this is number 13. We'll do a 10 and 3 ones. I don't normally do savings challenges because I just don't really have it in my budget right now to do savings challenges I don't really mind them too much, so I can't say I really enjoy them. I haven't really done them because I just haven't had the income. So this is really kind of like my first savings challenge that I'm doing, and probably the hardest one because of the denominations, the amounts. But I wanted to save for Christmas, and I figured this was the best way because this would get me the closest savings challenge to my goal. And so that's what I did. That's why I chose this savings challenge. So this is number 14. 10 and 4 ones. I hope that we have enough here. So that's number 14. Then we got number 15. That should be a 10 and a 5. Okay, yeah, we should have enough. So that's number 15. It's so pretty. It's a pink and like a peachy coral color. And the last one is a number 16. That's going to be a 10, a 5, and a 1. Okay, that's not working. I don't want them to stick up too much out of the envelope. Just enough to see that I have stuffed it. So we have 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 9, and 8. Yep, so we'll go ahead and put them back in our box here. Nine, 8, 9. Where's number 10? Where did number 10 go? Oh, there's number 10, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and there's 17. So we currently have number 1 through, I think 26. Yep. We have numbers 1 through 26 saved up. I'm not sure what the total is. I haven't added it up. I think it's going to be somewhere around $351 is what we should have at this point, saved up for Christmas. So, I mean, we're doing good, you guys. We have bigger numbers left to go. I think the most we're going to stuff, I have 52 in here, but I think I only need to go up to 50 to meet my goal for $1,300 for Christmas. So that is my goal. That's what I want to do. And that's it for today, you guys. That's it for the video. Talk to you soon. Bye.